Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 3. Didn't really mean to do a Part 3, but I started looking at it. And I made a big deal where your white one was, whether the white one was up here or down here. So we're going to make that one white by right-clicking. And now we're going to grab them both and go up to Effects and blend them. And I'm going to blend them that same 500 times. And you get that. But if you will click on the font, the first font, you can move it and it'll move the blend the opposite direction. You know, you can move it anywhere you want now and have a total different look. And, you know, since I've moved it and I would not be able to put my colored font, and you can tell you've got it because there's a big bounding box and here is a, well, smaller bounding box if you get just the letters. So I'm going to kind of move it around, and I thought, well, you can't fill that in now, but you can, because you can go to Object, well, select it all, and go up to Object and break the blend apart, and then grab that first one. See, I've got grab more than the first one. There, I've got the first one. I can nudge it out of the way now, and I can make it blue and nudge it right back. And this is kind of cool because this is where I had a little blemish, we had a white outline around it. Well, that's still selected. I'm just going to right click in blue and that blemish went away. So this is kind of a continuation. And then just like always, make a black box, object order, back a page, and you get that look. That's, I think, if you printed that on a shirt, I think it would look pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.